Excel provides us different function, and one of the main function is to convert from one unit to another unit. If you want to convert from one unit to another unit, you have to write equal to and then write convert. Double click over here. Now the Excel will provide you this syntax. What will be the syntax of this function? It will ask you for a number, and from unit to unit you are willing to convert it. Suppose I want to convert 32 in, and I want to convert it from, let's suppose I want to convert it from meter to inches, and click enter. It will convert from 32 meters into inches.